Hey, what's going on? This is a video about the Select Draw Cigar Cutter. You can see the website here, selectdrawcigarcutters.com. Today we're going to show you how to use this awesome new product. So this is what it looks like. Men and women can carry this remarkable product. It has 3 prongs. And this baby is sweet. And then you just twist it back on.
Hello, this is Mark from Select Draw Cigar Cutters, www.selectdrawcigarcutters.com. So I'm gonna do a demo on a probably 46 to 50 gauge stick. So it's kind of the normal stick most people use. Right below the cap, you want to put your first 3 holes. As you can see, there's 3. Then you're gonna do your second 3. You just want to gingerly do it, not being really rough. All right, your second 3. And you can always go deeper. You just want to get the holes produced the first time or made the first time. And you can always open the holes more if you need to. So you have 3, 6, 9, 12 holes, side draw. And again, I love side draw, that's what I swear by. So side draw for flavored, all flavored cigars, and anything less than 52 gauge, I think you should use side draw. When you get to the bigger gauges, then you can go with cap draw in addition to side draw. Thank you, bye. Now we're on large gauge cigars. There's a nice big gauge cigar, probably around 60 or 62. You can still use side draw if you like. You can do it with 1 triple side draw. It's 1, 2, right below the cap, 3, and 4. So 3, 6, 9, 12 holes. Now with this one, since it's such a big gauge, you can later, after smoking about half of it, you can do cap draw. 3. There's 3 holes. You can go to 5 holes. You can go to 7 holes, and you can finally get to 9 holes. So you can do side draw initially for the first half of the cigar, and then you can change over to cap draw with 9 holes in it. Thank you very much. Only large gauge cigars do I suggest doing cap draw with. Side draw is best using the select draw. Thank you. Bye. Hi, this is Mark Alston from Select Draw Cigar Cutters, www.selectdrawcigarcutters.com, and I'm going to show you a demo on box pressed. Box pressed, you want to go like this, triple side draw, which gives you a great draw. As you can see, there's 3 holes right there. You want to do that all the way around the side, just barely beneath the cap. As you can see, another 3 holes. It's all about finesse with the select draw. Another 3 holes, and last but not least, another 3 holes. So you have 3, 6, 9, 12 holes with the select draw cigar cutter. Again, the select draw cigar cutter on a box press cigar. Thank you. Hello, my name is Mark Alston. I'm going to demonstrate today how to use the select draw cigar cutter. going to demonstrate on this particular cigar. So you want to use all 3 prongs. You want to just wiggle it in real slowly and relaxing, and make 3 holes, as you can see right there. Did you want to do it again? Again, another 3 holes. Then you want to do it again, right here as such. And again, another 3 holes, and one more time. And so for a torpedo, you would have 3, 6, 9, 12 holes using your Select Draw cigar cutter. Thank you.